Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce simple and delicious egg sandwich. This is the request menu from my viewer. Thank you very much. Egg sandwich is one of the most popular sandwich menu in Japan. We make and eat the breakfast and lunch mainly because the way is so simple and easy. And today I'll show you my best way. Actually my way is not simple, but the taste is amazing. And you don't need to do completely same as my way. Please choose a good way for you. I hope you will enjoy smooth and tasty egg sandwich. Yes, let's make it. At first, I'll boil the eggs. These eggs are produced in Mie Prefecture. Egg is called tamago in Japanese. And it's written by like this. And this is also tamago. This kanji means all eggs, chicken egg, and fish egg, and raw egg, tamagoyaki, and so on. This kanji of tamago is more common. And this tamago is only chicken egg. We don't use this kanji for raw egg. We usually use this kanji for cooked egg dishes. Before boiling them, I'll show you one tip to peel off the eggshell beautifully. I make a tiny hole to more rounded side of the egg. I use an iron score. Good. We can do it with a spoon as well, but we should tap it very lightly. Not strong. Okay. I recommend to make a whole version. Let's boil the eggs. I add them to the boiling water. Okay, I boil them for 11 minutes over low heat. 11 minutes later, I turn off the heat. I remove and transfer them to the cold water. Once they have cooled down, I peel off the shell on the boiled eggs. Beautiful. Okay, I peeled off the shell on all the boiled eggs. Then I'll separate the egg white and yolk. This work is an essential to make delicious egg sandwich. I wish you will try it. I'll prepare egg white and yolk separately. First, I cut the egg white into fine pieces. I'm sure the texture and the beautiful white color are amazing points of egg white. Okay, beautiful. Then I'll strain the yolk in a sieve. This work makes the yolk smooth texture. It's a bit tough work, but it will change simple egg sandwich to elegant one. I'm sure the color of yolk is so beautiful. This yellow color of yolk and egg white remind me of narcissus. Okay, I just said this work was tough, but we can eat silky texture of egg and see natural beautiful color of the egg for a longer time. It is happy for me. Great. Then I transfer them to suribachi. Okay, I love it with a wooden stick. This makes the yolk much more smooth. You can do it with a bowl and fork or spatula as well. The tip is making the yolk smooth. Okay, then I add 2 grams of salt and 4 grams of sugar. I mix and distribute the seasonings to the egg. Okay, I transfer it to the bowl. This is 40 grams of mayonnaise. I mix well until the egg mixture becomes smooth and shiny. Nice. Finally, I add the special seasoning of this recipe, mirin. This mirin is completely different from normal mirin. It is produced in Kankyoshizo in Aichi Prefecture. The fragrance is amazing. This mirin gives a rich and complex flavor to the egg. Okay, great. Finally, I add egg white and mix them well. The silky yolk and egg white create a wonderful harmony. Perfect. The filling of egg is done. Today I bought slices of the white bread. I recommend to use a bit thick slices and fluffy texture. I cut the both sides shortly, move the knife widely without power. Then I put the butter on the bread. Spread the butter one side. Okay. I put the egg mixture on the butter. I spread it over all. Nice. Finally, I place the bread on it. I cut it into pieces. The cutting is also important. I move the knife back and forth widely without power. If we add much pressure, the shape of the sandwich is not good. And I recommend to clean the knife after each cut. I cut it into quarters. Nice. Half cut is also good. I arrange it on an olive plate. Looks so nice. And sometsuke plate. The feature of sometsuke is this blue color. The egg looks very delicious. Itadakimasu. The fluffy bread and smooth egg mixture are perfect. This egg sandwich is so delicious. Good. Thank you. Did you enjoy? This style of egg sandwich is very popular and I love it. I hope you enjoy silky and delicious egg sandwich. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.